Hello and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Renee, host of Renee Nicole's Kitchen, and today I'm going to take you on a culinary adventure. Fall has begun here in the Pacific Northwest, so today I'm bringing you one of my fall favorites, Bourbon Butterscotch sauce. Made from 5 simple ingredients, this sauce is a perfect match for a butterscotch latte or for my bourbon apple crumble. So let's get started. Begin by heating a 4-quart saucepan over a medium-low flame. To that we'll add 1 stick of butter, half a cup, and let it cook until it melts completely. Next we'll add 1 cup of dark brown sugar. Stir to combine and let it cook until it becomes the texture of molten lava. Last we'll add the salt, the heavy cream, and of course the bourbon, 2 teaspoons. Stir to combine completely and then let it cook until it triples in size. This should take about 3 to 5 minutes, but if you have a thermometer, we're looking for 225 degrees. Once it's done, remove it from the flame and stir as it cools. There you have it, bourbon butterscotch sauce. For the full recipe, plus some behind-the-scenes tips and tricks, go to ReneeNicolesKitchen.com.